What's up guys, it's Kenneth and I'm going to be teaching you guys and Matt how to reverse. Because he obviously doesn't know how to do it.
Help me.
So you're going to step back, 1, lean, 2, and then 3. It's going to be as if there's a wall right here and you just hit that wall and it's going to hurt. So then you're going to go hit and you're going to come around and you're gonna come back the same way that you went back. Okay, go Matt.
6, 7, 8. Dun, dun. Where's the wall?
You gotta imagine.
No, you gotta put the wall. It's training wheels. You can't just throw me in the deep
Here's the
end.
wall.
6, 7, 8. Yeah. Ding. Oh.
Exactly like that,
it.
and that's how you do it. Now that you've learned how to do the reverse, you guys can try it with us. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Ah!
Oh no, what are we gonna do with this pile of rubble? I think actually, if you just blow really hard, it will all clear. Do you know how much money that special effect just cost us?
That version of the reverse is only one of the many that have not even been discovered yet. Everybody knows hit the folks. So you're gonna go up, just like that, and then when you hit the ceiling, boom, it's gonna knock you right back down and you're gonna dodge it. You're gonna dodge all the crumbling pieces from the ceiling. Boom, dodge the pieces. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah!
I think we've learned all that we can possibly learn in one day.
If you can figure out any different ways how to reverse, make your videos and tag us.
And whoever does the best reverse, Ken will fly to your house and make you breakfast for a year.
Thank you for watching.
We'll see you guys on the next tutorial.
Blah, blah.
Peace out. Kenny's grandpa is watching us through the window and I literally just saw him go. So when I looked, he went.
No, that's what I saw from the window.
Whoa! One!
Hey! 1, 2, 1, 2.
Hey.